In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast bake that is gluten-free and vegan. You can use the same batter to make pancakes on the range. However, this method will help to cut down on the extra butter or oil you might use for frying. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. I'll talk about each of them as we go along. I like using this brand of flax milk because it has it's a little bit more protein, it's a little creamier than the almond milk, plus it has B12, calcium, and vitamin D in it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. 3/4 cup of gluten-free flour, plus a 1/4 cup of chickpea flour, a 1/2 cup of almond flour, tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a dash of salt. Mash up 2 bananas, and then add this to a separate bowl with 2/3 cup of flax milk, 2 flax eggs, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of applesauce, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Add your wet ingredients to your dry and mix it thoroughly so there's no lumps left. Grease a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Pour your mixture into the dish and smooth it out. And then here's where you can add your toppings of choice. I use the frozen raspberries and just let them thaw a little bit, but you can use any other kind of berry or even chocolate chips, and you can also leave it plain. Next, we're going to bake this for an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. So let this cool before you cut it, and then you could store it in the fridge for up to a week. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be useful, give it a like, drop a comment below, and let me know how your breakfast bake turned out.